guys, it's of course your boy Alexandrus, and today I'm back again with another video. I know it's been a while since I dropped something, and I know I say it quite a few times already, but the thing is, I had a few things going on, and honestly I wasn't really able to do content for you. However, let's be honest, these last 2 weeks were pretty slow when it comes to crypto, when it comes to stocks as well, so wasn't anything exciting. I do have some things lined up when it comes to new videos, so expect new videos soon, guys. And today, this is the 21st, we will be doing some market review as we used to do. That's what I basically want to talk about, because we can see some interesting stuff happening. It's currently like 3 a.m. and I see this little pump here. I'm wondering what is happening, but basically the Ethereum grid slowly, really slowly is finally turning into positive instead of the extreme field that we used to see back to 2 weeks ago. The unsettling thing though is that the war in Iran could escalate, so that's a thing that I would look out for, and something that I would still keep in mind when planning to buy, maybe not exactly crypto, because I feel like crypto sort of stopped reacting to those news, or when it reacts like to the negatives, then it dumps, like there is a flash dump, let's say 2%, and then not maybe like super instantly, but the same day usually it's bought back up, which is genuinely positive, Of course, guys, also I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. With that said, we can continue. So this last month, as you can see, I mean, we already saw the peak at 65,474, so technically we did better, but I mean, it dipped to as low as like 58, right? And many people were saying that, well, Bitcoin will go down now to 40,000. Well, it is still possible. I'm not gonna say that it's not still possible. However, I would say that we are rather seeing a positive trend instead of negative one, Slowly but surely, this chart starts reflecting that we could finally hit some positive run and close the month with a positive, I mean, 2% so far. There is still over a week left, but I mean, I hope that it will be possible, And looking at some analysis that people did, many agree with me, I could say, that we could be closing in a positive. And look at the volume spike in the last 24 hours, guys. Over 92% more volume in last 24 hours on just Bitcoin alone, which is pretty crazy, right? So honestly, the fact that it's trading more is also pretty bullish and strong for it. Another bullish factor is Ethereum, which broke $1,900, and it has more dominance against Bitcoin that it had. So last month also pretty positive spike, 10% up. So I don't want to say that 100%, because again, there is still over a week left, but we will be probably seeing Ethereum finally closing in a positive this month, which was the lowest by the looks of it. So honestly, pretty good news here. Would love to see it at 5,000, especially considering the fact that I'm a holder. so yeah, but I mean, we need to wait a little more. If it manages to surpass 2,000, I would say it will just explode towards like 2,400. But I mean, I'm not like super into analytics. I just been in this crypto for over 8 years, and I mean, I could see some trends here. But again, like, I'm not an expert trader, so these are just my speculations. But I would say that we are finally maybe flipping the market towards the positiveness, When it comes to the altcoins, it technically indicates 49 altcoin season. I don't see it personally. I mean, there is not enough price reaction. I mean, some shit coins maybe are pumping, like Pump Fund token, stuff like that, like Pudgy Penguins, Is it valuable? I wouldn't say so. So that I would really look for it, like, yeah, like there is this indicator, but I mean, not really accurate, if you ask me. What I'm holding and what I'm still accumulating, obviously Avalanche, that's not a surprise. If you watch my videos, then you know that I'm a big whale in Avalanche, and my average buy on Avalanche, guys, is $20. Am I calm? Yes, because what else I can do? Like, man, let me tell you that, like, few months were really like crazy because I started accumulating like around here, you know. So you could tell that I've been going through the stuff as it goes. I haven't seen this so low ever, okay? But I still think that Avalanche could definitely go up, considering the fact that, you know, they keep on building a lot on Avalanche. Many institutions are adapting it, you know. So when it comes to this blockchain and when it comes to this coin itself and the token, I would say this is really one of the sleeping giants, and it's super missed on, and the market cap still like allows it to go much higher than that, you know. It has 2.85 billion market cap only, like comparing it to Binance coin, which has 76. That's very exponential for Avalanche, you know, if it was to have the market cap of BNB, which again, like, BNB is a token of the biggest crypto exchange, and it's also a great ecosystem to build meme coins on and other valuable projects, which, as you guys know, back in the days 2-3 years ago, I used to cover a lot of BNB related projects because there was simply so many, and so many of them were good, that, you know, that it was just booming back then. Right now, do I see a lot of value in BNB? I mean, it's still a solid token, still a solid token. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Is it better than Ethereum? I mean, I wouldn't say so. Ethereum fees are now low, you know. Ethereum is like the OG here. Could BNB go higher? It definitely could. I mean, BNB all-time high is what, like 1500, I believe? No, not exactly. 1300, yeah. So it could definitely go back up to those prices, and I remember it being at like $50, man, like golden times. So yeah, it could. Another thing I'm accumulating is, guys, it is Raydium. It is Raydium, and so far so good when it comes to this day. And also the all-time chart might be scary for you. But I wouldn't be scared of it. Like, Raydium, the biggest DEX on Solana, and I don't see any like plans for it to change, you know. So it is kind of affected by the Solana price, I would say, and by the meme coins, but there is still a lot of trading going on Solana, there is still a lot of trading going on Raydium, and there is still a lot of new meme coins on Solana. So honestly, this should, in my opinion, at least double this price that it has today. It could easily triple it, because again, this has a really small market cap, guys. 400 million only. That's a whole lot of nothing comparing it to like other tokens. So let's say how much Uniswap has, okay, or how much does PancakeSwap has. Here you got 451, okay, so that's, maybe it's not like super a lot higher, but it's still much more. And this, remember, is on Binance Smart Chain. Uniswap, 2.3 billion. But again, Uniswap is also on Ethereum, and some of you might know, some of you might not know. Uniswap used to do an airdrop, which was, I believe it was 21 or 20, no, it was probably 2020. I did claim it, in fact, and I got like 1000 USD worth of Uniswap or something like that. I sold it. That was the dumbest decision. Maybe not the dumbest, because I also had some holdings in Luna. So yeah, but yeah, I sold it. Then it just skyrocketed to $40. That would be worth like what, like 10k, 15k. You can imagine that I was a little bit upset. Anyway, guys, so that's it when it comes to crypto. I know I haven't said like super like interesting things, but I mean, I don't have much to say considering the fact that the market is so slow right now. I'm following this BRICS news on Twitter. This is like one of the best pages, and I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I'm just following them to know what's happening in Iran. And as you guys can see, speaking of that, I mean, this guy is still threatening, the president of the United States is still threatening Iran that they will do an all-out war. He just keeps talking, you know. You already know how it is with Trump. He likes to talk a lot, and he doesn't do much. So probably nothing will happen, you know, and probably, like, obviously I don't expect any deal happening either. And many people said when this war was starting that it's gonna be like with Afghanistan and stuff like that. The deal will not happen for like another few years, so we just gotta adapt to the fact that maybe there will be some price changes in oil and stuff like that. Stocks will react, crypto will react as well. But at the end of the day, I would say that even if they do the deal, I wouldn't personally say that it will largely impact crypto or anything like that, because like, come on, it's been so long already. Crypto just doesn't give a F, you know. Finally we start some positive movements, even though there is negative news regarding Iran. So hopefully the market manipulation of these guys is over, and we could finally see some positive change. Also, when it comes to strategy of Michael Saylor, he has bought some more Bitcoin. I mean, the company and the strategy has bought some more Bitcoin, which is also a bullish news. And I would believe that it kind of impacted the fact that the price is growing. So that's really nice to see. When it comes to the stocks, guys, currently I'm pushing my money into Microsoft. That's because Microsoft is highly underpriced, I would say. By the way, crude oil $82 per barrel. Yeah, I mean, last month, that's kind of brutal, you know. We had this beautiful 6.7 here, $82 now. It is what it is. I mean, I'm paying more for gas. I drive a V8, you know. So 20 liters per 100 kilometers, it's not easy. It's not easy, I will say that. But yeah. First world problems, as they say. When it comes to Microsoft, guys, the last year for Microsoft was kind of tough, I would say. From 540 down 21%, currently sitting at 401. I started accumulating around like 390. Kind of sad I didn't manage to buy more on 350, because if you want to buy more you have to have money for it, which I didn't at the time, so I wasn't able to buy more. But it's up 9.5% by the way this month, which is beautiful. I don't even need to explain this like that much. I did a video on my stock picks and why I picked them. Microsoft is Microsoft, guys. Software, AI, everything here is included, and I would say it's like a generational opportunity to get it for relatively cheap. Might be wrong, might be not, but I mean, I'm accumulating whenever I can. I'm buying more Microsoft. Same with Nvidia. This one also like the safest company to invest when it comes to technology, I would say. So I'm accumulating this. Also, Intel had a pretty interesting dip, but it was down to like 95 from 140, but today it went up like 5%. So I mean, is it good entry for Intel? I don't know, because it pumped a lot lately from like $40 to this 140. Could it go lower? I mean, it could, you know, but not really sure. I don't want to like give you any advice here. Tesla, also buying Tesla. It's underperforming, kind of, I would say, but I'm up overall, so I'm happy with my choice here. And so far, these are the three stocks that I'm accumulating more and more whenever I can. Oh, almost forgot about Meta. So I have some Meta as well. Meta has been doing good for me, but it's kind of slow right now. So we need to like wait for all the financial reports and all of that, and then we will probably see some more movement of these stocks. Guys, last but not least, I don't want to pull up Instagram or anything like that. We'll just stick to CoinMarketCap here because it's more of a talking thing. Recent boom in AI, and I'm not even talking about crypto AI only. I'm talking about AI influencers, AI fitness coaches, and overall like this whole AI boom that we have right now. I've been trying myself to create an AI influencer. Am I doing good? I mean, you can rate myself on your own. 7,000 followers my account has, or my influencer's account I should say. And I was wondering if you guys would like to see me doing some kind of tutorials, maybe how to get started. I'm not saying I will give you like a whole game how to make money out of it. I can tell you the ideas how to monetize it, and the possibilities of monetization. No courses, no anything like that, obviously for free, guys. So please just, just let me know, because I know there is a lot of people doing those tutorials. They are just having paywalls, making you pay for some courses, and the real way they make money from this business is by selling you those courses, by selling you the dream. So I wanted to, I'm in social media for 10 years already, so I would consider myself experienced, okay? And I was just wondering if you guys would like to see me doing some kind of like tutorials, or just a sort of videos explaining this whole AI influencer trend, how to hop in before it's too late, because this could be new crypto, to be fair, and the possibilities that AI gives us and the fact that it's getting updated every other day is something to definitely look out for and definitely utilize before everyone else does it. So that's one thing I wanted to ask you guys. And if you would be interested in something like that, then I would definitely come up with some cool ideas and talk about them to you. And also I wanted to ask you if you would like this on this channel, or do you want me to make a separate one? Obviously I will keep on making crypto videos, but I wanted to kind of shift my channel towards like the whole financial sector, not only just crypto, because it's not like it used to be a few years ago, and I'm not like I used to be a few years ago. Obviously we develop as we grow, so I'm investing in more markets right now, in stocks for example, right? Also in the AI sector, I'm trying to monetize my AI influencer. So yeah, I've been doing a few things off camera, and I kind of want to share them with you guys, because you know that I'm like the real one. If you watch me since 2016, then you know that I always try to be as real as it gets, as transparent as it gets. So yeah, just a question here. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see such content, guys, because lately it's booming, as I said. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you guys in the next ones coming out soon.